In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily backup your iPhone contacts to Google account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to open up settings. Just tap at up icon that looks like that to get into settings. If you can't find that icon on your main home screen, you probably need to swipe left or right until you find that icon on another one. However, if you still can't find it, just swipe down at any of your home screens and then search for settings in this way. Then get into settings, scroll down until you find mail, and then tap at accounts. That's where you can find all the accounts that are linked to your device. As you can see, now I have iCloud account here and Gmail account. Gmail means Google, so if you have Gmail option here, just get into it. However, if you still not linked your Google account to your iPhone, you need to tap right here at Add Account, select Google, and on the next step you need to sign into your Gmail account using your email or phone number. After that, Gmail account will be added right here, and then we can get into it. And basically all we have to do in order to backup our contacts to Google is just turn on this toggle next to contacts. Once it is turned on, all your contacts from your contacts book will be automatically synced with your Gmail account. That's how you can easily backup your contacts to Google.